Now we will be learning about different types of fractions. The first is unit fraction, second is proper fraction, third is improper fraction, fourth is like fractions, and the fifth is unlike fractions. So let's see all the types of fraction. The first one, a fraction which has 1 as the numerator is called a unit fraction. Let's see the examples. As you can see in all the 4 examples given below, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 7 and 1 by 16. In all the fractions given below, numerator is 1. So all are unit fractions. So we can divide the object into as many equal parts we want, but the shaded part should be 1. So it will be a unit fraction. Let's see the other fraction, which is proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Let's see the examples. As you can see, the fraction 1 by 2. So 1 is smaller than 2. 3 by 4. 3 is smaller than 4. 2 by 3. 2 is smaller than 3. 3 by 8. 3 is smaller than 8. That is the fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. That is, denominator is greater than the numerator is called proper fraction. Now let's see improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Let's see the examples. As you can see in first example given, numerator is 7 and denominator is 4. That is, numerator is greater than denominator. So this is a improper fraction. Similarly, here also you can see numerator is 7 and denominator is 6. So numerator is greater than denominator. Like you can see that in the figure given, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So denominator is 4 and the shaded part is 7. So numerator is 7. So the fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Now let's see the other. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators is called like fractions. Let's see the examples. So here we are with the examples. You can see that in all the 3 examples given, that is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Denominator is 4 in all the 3 cases. That is, the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same but the numerators it is different. Your numerator is 1, here 2 and here 3. So the fraction in which numerators are different mainly and denominators are same. So they are known as like fractions. Unlike fractions. So with the word unlike only you must know that the different denominators, right? So fraction with the different denominators are called an unlike fractions. So you can see here the first one, denominator is 2, here it is 3 and here it is 4. That is the different denominators, 2, 3, 4. They all are different. So it is an unlike fractions. So all the 3, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. All the 3 are unlike fractions. Now we will be learning comparing fractions. How we will compare fractions. Comparing means to see which is greater and which is smaller. So here you can see the first fraction In the first fraction, you can see that out of 8 blocks, the shaded are 5, and in the second, you can see out of 8, 7 are shaded. So definitely 7 is greater than 5. If 7 is greater than 5, definitely the fraction 7 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. Now let's see the other example. Here you can see that there are 2 circles, and you can see that each circle is divided into 4 equal parts, right? You can see it is divided into 4 equal parts, and in the first you can see that the parts shaded are 3, and here the parts shaded are 2. So definitely the part which are shaded 3 are greater, is more. So 3 by 4 fraction is greater than 2 by 4 fraction. Now we'll be learning about ordering fractions. How to order the fractions like in ascending or descending order. As you can see here, there are 3 different fractions. The first is 2 by 4, the second is 1 by 4, and the third is 3 by 4. You can see the denominators are same, that is all the 3 circle is divided into 4 equal parts. But in the first one, you can see that the number of parts shaded are 2, here it is 1, and here it is 3. So when we have to arrange it in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger, so we'll be seeing the fraction which is small. So out of 2, 1 and 3, you all know number which is small is 1. So the fraction 1 by 4 will be smaller, then it will come 2 by 4, and at the last it will come 3 by 4. So in this way we can order the fractions in an ascending order or descending order as we want. As you can see here, it has been done ascending order, that is smaller to bigger.